Hello, I'm Chef Michael McDermott, and welcome to Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Okay, today on Chef Michael's Food Hacks, we are making buttermilk drop biscuits with honey chili butter. We're making gluten-free buttermilk biscuits, okay? I used 3/4 regular gluten-free flour, and I used a quarter of almond flour, okay? Then I've got baking powder and baking soda in here, and that's it, a little nutmeg. Now I'm going to add buttermilk and butter. I've already got it melted, okay? I got the buttermilk and the butter combined. I'm going to add that. And by the way, the flours are both organic and they're whole grain, okay? So why should you miss out on biscuits if you don't like gluten, you know, or you can't have gluten? And I'm going to mix this up real quick. You just want to mix it until it's combined, okay? You don't want to overmix this. Now what I did was I took this butter, okay, I just put it in the paper in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Gets it just soft enough, right? And I'm going to add, that's about half a cup of butter. And I'm going to add about a quarter cup of honey. And just a couple, maybe, I don't know, half a teaspoon of chili, all right? You don't need a lot. And I'm going to push down with the beater. I want to make sure I don't have it splatter all over the place. I'll push down because it's already melted. And I'll put it on low. And that's our chili honey butter. That took a long time, right? Really easy, real simple. So make sure you take a spatula and you wipe that chili butter off of there. Then I'm going to put it in the fridge, let it set up a little bit while the biscuits are getting ready, and then I can put it in a nice scoop and we can serve it that way, okay? And what I'm doing is I'm using an ice cream scoop, all right? I sprayed it with a little bit of olive oil, all right? This way the biscuits will come off, and this also with the ice cream scoop, they get about the same size, okay? Don't have to be perfect. Make sure they're about 2 inches apart, okay? What I'm doing is I'm pulling it against the sides to get a nice scoop and not waste any of the batter, okay? All right, I'm going to finish scooping those. Then I'm going to put them in the oven, 475 degrees for about 12 minutes. And I'll show you what they look like with the honey butter. Okay, we have buttermilk gluten-free drop biscuits. Just came out of the oven. They're hot. We're serving them with this delicious chili honey butter. Don't get better than that. It's something else for you to serve your guests for the coming holidays. I'm Chef Michael McDermott. This has been Chef Michael's Food Hacks. Stay tuned for the next Chef Michael's Food Hacks. And remember, when you eat well, you live well. Visit our partner on Facebook, Borderlands Market and Produce on Wheels Without Waste.